Welcome to ARS Billiards, your go-to spot for all things game room in Riverside, California. For nearly 50 years, ARS Billiards has been the heart of Riverside's game room dreams. Since 1975, this family-owned and operated business has been bringing fun to homes all across Southern California. From the finest selection of pool tables to handcrafted cues, we have everything you need to elevate your game. Looking for more? We've got arcade classics, shuffleboards, darts, and everything to make your man cave legendary. Whether you're building the ultimate hangout spot or upgrading your entertainment space, ARS Billiards has been here since day one, offering expert advice and the best prices in town. Family-owned, trusted, and committed to quality, we're not just selling you a game, we're delivering a lifestyle. ARS Billiards, where family fun meets unbeatable style. Visit us today in Riverside or check us out online at arsbilliards.com. Your perfect game room is waiting.